Thank you for watching our video. Today we are excited to walk you through properly installing the Whitestone Easy Glass Protector for your iPhone SE 2020, also known as iPhone 9. Our Easy line of glass protectors are our new line of glass protectors that do not require the full liquid adhesive application like our other dome glass products. It's so easy, so let's go ahead and get started. First off, here is the alcohol wipe. You need to completely wipe your phone screen with the alcohol pad. Now, dry it off with a cleaning cloth. Here are the dust removal stickers. Grab one and gently pat against the screen to make sure there are no dust particles on the screen. Next, carefully remove the peel-off sheet from the glass by peeling down and carefully place the glass over your screen. Make sure to align the glass correctly with your device. The small hole goes over the speaker grill on the top of the phone, and the semicircle goes over the home button on the bottom. Once you have the glass aligned, rub your finger across the center horizontally and then through the middle vertically as shown. Now, wipe it off again with a cleaning cloth to remove any smudges and to adhere it fully to the screen. Press firmly and rub all along the entire screen. Now you're done. The new Whitestone Easy series. Easy on your phone and easy on your wallet. I hope this video was helpful. See you next time and have a great day.